Chapter 5 Southern Sumatra. Part 2 Primitive Peoples. The Orang Mamaq. The Orang Mamaq, a people of probable Vedud origin who live in the territory of Indragiri on the right side of the Kuantan River and are separated from the Kubu by the Sultanate of Jambi. In 1880, there were 20,000 of these natives left. About the middle of the 14th century, two ships, sukus, of Minangkabau people settled at the mouth of the Indragiri River. They brought their matrilineal customs with them. The use canopy existed between the two ships. At the end of 15th or beginning of the 16th century, a prince from Johor in Malacca came to the head of Minangkabau, the Minangkabau people of Indragiri. Slowly, the Johor influence spread and colonies from Johor came into the region. Under Johor regime, the matrilineal institutions of the origin were replaced by patrilineal, the democratic form of government, by a monarchy. The original Minangkabau dialect likewise changed to Rio Liangga Malay. In the middle of the 16th century, the conversion of the people to Islam aided its force in making the people patrilineal. In spite of these strong patrilineal influences, however, the Malays of Indragiri have maintained many matrilineal survivals in custom. As Wilson has remarked, the matriarchat only occurs in its purest from where Minangkabau Malay is spoken, and the Malays of this region have lost this language. While, therefore, the original Malay immigrants to Indragiri have lost their matrilineal customs, they have transferred them to the primitive Orang Mamaq, who have preserved both the original Minangkabau language and matriarchat. The Orang Mamaq have not been converted to Islam. The name Mamaq has reference to the oldest brother of the wife, who is the head of the family. The entire people is divided into exogamous sukus, and descent is counted in the female line from a tribal mother. All the members of a suku live together in a family house and are mutually responsible for each other's actions. Marriage is monogamous. A party or prince heads all of the Orang Mamaq, which a suku is ruled by a penghulu. The party formerly was responsible to Johor. The family houses of the Mamaq are part dwellings. Large agriculture is practiced, but is said to be a recent innovation. The food eaten is mostly a product of hunting, fishing, or the jungle. The lens and harpoon are used, but the blowpipe is unknown. Spear and net are employed in fishing. While weaving and pottery are unknown, the people are already good workers in iron. They also work in rattan and weave baskets. The bamboo flute, a Malay instrument, furnishes their music. Tapa is no longer worn, but cotton takes its place for loincloths. The Mamaq have more in the way of festivals than the Kubu. A wedding is celebrated by a feast, and large tribal feast is held when the durian fruit is ripe. Cockfighting also takes place at this time. In religion, the people resemble the settled Minangkabau, the settled Kubu. They have shamans like the Kubu, but the Mamaq shaman has learned to charge a fixed price for his cure.